was a very dark and cold night. The streets were all deserted and silent, except for the noise of a group of street boys sitting around and playing cards themselves.
You may say, so what? Well, this group of McGraffins has gathered here on this cold and lonely night not for a party. This is one of their several places of gathering. With no place to call their own, the whole world is theirs.
And soon another one tries to sneak into the group for some warmth.
Hey, you! Never seen you before here. Yes, I am from Pondicherry. Pondicherry? Yes. Here, take a shot like this. No thanks. Why? I don't like it. Hey, try some. You want water? Sorry, I don't like. You will get drunk. No, I don't like. You try a seat. No, I don't take that either. Hey, look. He has a chain around his neck. Wow, that's a beautiful one. That's not a chain. It is the rosary. Rosary? Yes. Whatever that means, let me see. Wow. Hey, don't throw like that. It is very precious to me. It was given by my mother just before she died. Really? How dare you hit him?
He looks around and sees some light at some distance. He starts to get there as soon as possible.
That place happens to be a church. The mass of the feast of the Nativity of Mother Mary is over, and the sacristan is just putting things back in their places.
How nice and warm it is to be here. Oh, sweet lady, you look so beautiful. While I, so dirty. You have a fine tunic, but I have only a rags. Are you the same lady my mother used to speak about? My mother used to speak about when I complained to her of the harshness of my stepfather and other relatives.
The sacristan enters, searching anxiously as though he lost something valuable.
Hey you! What are you doing here? You dirty ragamuffin! What's that in your hand? My rosary? And I have been searching for it for 50 minutes.
That's my rosary. I did not steal it.
Now shut up and before I call the police, get lost from here. You rascal!
That's my rosary.
It is not yours. You rascal, get lost from here.
I did not steal it. It is given by my mother.
Get lost from here.
The parish priest comes in and the sacristan rushes to him and tells him about the theft and his great catch.
This is what you are saying. But how can that be? I had taken the rosary myself to recite my rosary. And here it is. How can anyone steal the rosary when it was with me for the past half an hour?
Then the boy was true. It indeed was his rosary. Oh, what a mistake. I always thought that these urchins are liars and good for nothing. How wrong I was.
Anyway, he may come tomorrow again. Now remove the rosary of that boy and put this one back in its place.
Sacristan goes to the statue and tries to remove the rosary, but alas, the rosary is stuck fast to the statue.
Father, please come here fast. I can't remove the rosary. It is not coming out.
Okay, let me try. Really, it is not coming out. The mother of Jesus has received a gift on her birthday. The rosary will not come out. It is a miracle of love. Mother Mary wishes to preserve the gift of an orphan child. Our Lady will remain thus, preserving that rosary. Indeed, a miracle of love.
My name is Ujjwal Toppo from Gumla Diocese and Madhav Namatoli Parish in first year. Thank you.
My name is Aryan Means from Hazaribagh Diocese, Mandar Parish. Thank you.
I am Sever Siddiqui from Gumla Diocese, Colvin Namatoli Parish in first year.
My name is Sandeep Lakda. I am from Simdega Diocese. My parish name is Tundegi. Thank you.
My name is Julian Toppo. I am from Simdega Diocese, Parish Gudek, first year.
My name is Javier Toppo, Diocese Hazaribagh, Parish Nato, first year.
My name is Avira Jopno from Khoji Diocese and Gupta Parish. I am first year.
My name is Samir Bilu from Simdega Diocese, Parish Kochidega, first year.
My name is Samir Mills from Daltongan Diocese, first year Spanish Seminary.
My name is Manoj Barla from Diocese Daltongan, Parish Chandwa, first year.
Myself, Sirius Lakra, Diocese Simdega, Parish Bonavira. Thank you.
My name is Johnny Dubno from Ranchi Paris Diocese, Ranchi Cathedral, first year. Thank you.
I am David Hasra. I am from Bhagalpur Diocese, Paris Chakai. This is my first year.
My name is Arpan Sore from Simrega Diocese, Paris Today, first year.
I am Sonu Tika from Tato Paris, Diocese Hazaribagh. This is my first year. Thank you.
My name is Jerome Lakra from Gumla Diocese, Paris, Parsa, first year.
I am Kisan Tuti from Zamwari and Diocese Hazaribagh, first year.
My name is Richard Beck. I am from Delhi Archdiocese. I am in first year.
Myself, Pawan Divya from Gumla Diocese, Paris, Parsa, first year collegians.
I am Sushant Kapita from Hario Paris, Hazaribagh Diocese. I am in first year college.
My name is Anuranjan Kuju from Jaspur, Paris, Zopala.
I am Anand Dekka from Ranchi Diocese, Paris, Patrachali.
My name is Bhushan Abhishek Kujur from Gumla Diocese, Paris Bardi, first year collegian.
I am Ankit Bana from Simrega Diocese, Paris, Pakatoli, second year college.
I am Master Director from Simrega Diocese, Paris Regari, second year collegian.
I am Anuj Bada from Simrega Diocese, Paris Pakatoli, second year college.
I am Rohit Tete from Simrega Diocese, Paris Diocese, second year collegian.
My name is Jaitun Teki from Gumla Diocese, Paris Tongo, second year collegians.
I am Amar Prem Linda from Hazaribagh Diocese, Paris Dato, second year collegian.
Myself, Brother Ankit Minch from Simrega Diocese. Paris name is Ben Basa and this is my final year.
Myself is Naveen Linda from Hazaribagh Diocese, Paris Dato. I am in final year.
I am Brother Ranjit Tirki, Diocese Daltegan, Paris Chetma, and this is my final year.
My name is Linus Bilum. I am from Simrega Diocese, Paris Tamda. I am in second year. No, final year.
My name is Alexander Reka. I am from Tato Paris, Hazaribagh Diocese. This is final year.
I am Vinod Dekka from Hario Paris, Hazaribagh Diocese, orientation group.
My name is Pankaj Kuju, Paris, Malum Navatoli, and I am in orientation.
My name is Levin Bakla from Simrega Diocese, Paris Tamda, orientation group.
My name is Kuleshwar Tudu from Bhagalpur Diocese, Paris Susini, orientation.
I am Brother Joseph Pendita from Gumla Diocese,
Bardi Paris and Orientation Group.
This is Brother Maurice Dirki from Jolly Paris, Hazaribagh Diocese, Orientation Group.
I am Amrit Ekta from Hario Parish, Diocese Hazaribagh, Orientation Group.
माँ क्या हो रहा है बेटे? मैं कॉलेज जा रहा हूँ, खाना मत दीजिए।
अच्छा, पापा के साथ नाश्ता के लिए बैठते। और आज पापा नाश्ता के लिए आ जाना।
मम्मी क्या हुआ बेटे? मुझे आज पैसा चाहिए।
नाश्ता कर लो पहले। यदि जरा सुनते हो, बेटा को पैसा की सख्त जरूरत है। कितना चाहिए बेटा पैसा को?
6,000 चाहिए पापा।
एक पैसे। यदि दे दो ना, हमारा एक ही तो बेटा है। बेटा तो भाई, जल्दी कॉलेज जाओ, हमें।
पैसा तो मिल ही गया है, कॉलेज में कहाँ जमा करना है? दारू देंगे।
ओए राजू भाई कहाँ जा रहा है?
कॉलेज जा रहा हूँ भाई।
कॉलेज में छोड़ी कर घर जा घूमने आ।
अरे पार्टनर,
काय बना रहे?
ये भाई, हार्ड फाइट।
अरे सुट्टा चला रे, सुट्टा चला। भाई बनाओ भाई। जल्दी तो यार, अभी मैं आ रहा हूँ।
बड़ी मस्ती यार, बड़ी मजा। और एक फाइट हो जाए।
मजा आ गया।
तो मस्ती।
भाई भाई इस बात का एक गाना हो जाए।
गाना?
हाँ गाना।
नागपुरी सॉन्ग चलेगा, नागपुरी।
बिरयानी के डूबा, रात के डूबा, मिले तो बदल बदल, नहीं तो सीधा सीधा हाल।
तो भाई लोग, मेरी माँ इंतजार कर रही होगी, मैं घर जाता हूँ, ठीक ना? ठीक है ओ मेरा बेटा आ गया। तो बेटा भाई, और राजू के पापा, जरा खाना खाने के लिए आ जाना शाम को।
मम्मी
क्या हुआ बेटा?
मैं खाना नहीं खाऊंगा,
क्यों बेटा?
खाने का मन नहीं है।
ठीक है। और राजू के पापा, जरा सोने का टाइम हो चुका है, सोने आ जाओ। ठीक है, आ जाइए आप।
ओ बेटा राजू, उठ जा, सुबह हो गया है। यदि जरा सुनते हो, राजू को देख लिया, उठा है कि नहीं? राजू बेटा, ए राजू बेटा, उठ जाओ, स्कूल जाना है। उठो, तबीयत ठीक है ना?
पापा ठीक नहीं लग रहा है पापा।
क्या हुआ मेरा बेटा को? चलो डॉक्टर को दिखाने लेते हैं। जल्दी करो जी, मेरा बेटा ठीक तो है, सोना जैसे। प्रणाम डॉक्टर साहब। प्रणाम डॉक्टर साहब। क्या हुआ आप लोगों को? मेरा बेटा का
अच्छा, आप थोड़ा रिवेट कीजिए, मैं इसको देखता हूँ। बेटा थोड़ा सा लेट जाओ।
क्या होगा मेरा बेटा को?
इनके माता पिता कौन है?
क्या हो डॉक्टर साहब जी?
आप इनके माता पिता हैं।
आओ ना।
इनके साथ करना पड़ रहा है कि आपके बेटे का लिवर काम नहीं कर रहा है। अभी मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ, अब ऊपर वाले के हाथ में है। कृपया आप अपने आप धैर्य रखिए, सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा, भगवान सब भला कर देगा।
तुम्हें कुछ करो ना।
हाँ, हम सुने हैं यहाँ एक हजारीबाग में एक बैठा है, वो एक पुजारी है, वो झाड़ फूक करता है।
जल्दी तुम्हें कुछ करो ना। प्रणाम पापा जी।
प्रणाम प्रणाम। कैसे आना होगा?
कुछ करो, आप तो कुछ कीजिए।
ठीक है ठीक है। ये आपका बेटा है, तो इसके लिए आपको मुझे कुछ पैसे देने होंगे।
कितना चाहिए पापा जी?
ज्यादा नहीं, 100 रुपया।
एक ही दे दो ना, एक ही तो बेटा। जल्दी करो ना।
तो मुझे इसे ठीक करने के लिए कुछ तंत्र मंत्र का उपयोग करना पड़ेगा।
जो कुछ भी करना जल्दी कीजिए बाबा जी।
ठीक है, तो अभी आप लोग शांति बनाए रखिएगा। ओम तरापुक, ओम तरापुक। हरे राम हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा। अरे इसका तो कुछ ज्यादा ही तबीयत खराब है। बहन जी देखिए, लगता है मुझसे नहीं होगा, माफ कीजिएगा, कृपया ले जाइए।
लेकिन तुम्हें कुछ करो ना, मैं राजू के बिना जिंदा नहीं रह पाऊंगी।
चलिए अभी आखिरी बार डिवाइन मर्सी हजारीबाग लेके जाएंगे।
चलो बेटा। ये कितना दूर है?
पहुंच गए।
हालेलुया।
हालेलुया।
ईश्वर की स्तुति हो,
ईश्वर की स्तुति हो।
ईश्वर की महिमा हो।
ईश्वर की महिमा हो।
ईश्वर ने हमें हमारे सभी पापों को क्षमा किया। ईश्वर को धन्यवाद।
ईश्वर धन्यवाद।
ईश्वर ना तो हमारे पापों के अनुसार हमें हमारे साथ व्यवहार करता है और ना ही हमारे अपराधों के अनुसार हमें दंड देता है। हालेलुया।
हालेलुया।
ईश्वर की स्तुति हो,
ईश्वर की स्तुति हो।
ईश्वर की महिमा हो।
ईश्वर की महिमा हो।
हालेलुया।
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 ईश्वर को धन्यवाद।
ईश्वर को धन्यवाद।
ईश्वर की स्तुति हो,
ईश्वर की स्तुति हो।
ईश्वर की महिमा हो।
ईश्वर की महिमा हो।
वाह, क्या हो बेटा? ये कौन है? बेटा, मैं फादर हूँ। फादर? मम्मी, मेरा कितना फादर है? बेटा, मैं यहाँ डिवाइन मर्सी आश्रम का फादर हूँ। मैं रोगियों के लिए प्रार्थना करता हूँ और उनके लिए प्रार्थना करता हूँ। प्रभु ईश्वर को धन्यवाद देता हूँ मैं। हाँ बेटा, अब तुम जाओ, एक नई जिंदगी की शुरुआत करो। प्रभु ने तुम्हारे पापों को क्षमा किया है। तुम जाकर एक नई जिंदगी की शुरुआत करो और दोबारा ऐसा पाप ना करो। ईश्वर की स्तुति हो, ईश्वर की महिमा हो।
ईश्वर की महिमा हो।
एक बार सब कोई बोलेंगे, ईश्वर की स्तुति हो,
ईश्वर की स्तुति हो।
ईश्वर की महिमा हो।
ईश्वर की महिमा हो।
थैंक यू।
Happy feast.
Dear Father Rector and all the staff members and dear parish priest and the parishioners and dear fathers of Bishop's House and Cathedral Parish and all the seminarians beside the minor seminary, those who have come from the regional as well as the major seminary and attending the online classes. First of all, I thank you for celebrating this feast of the Nativity of Mother Mary, and according to the situation, this is a rare occasion for us, and I thank the rector and all of you, my dear brothers, the minor seminary, the parish. You have prepared well, we have praised and thanked the Lord with a beautiful Mass, Holy Eucharist, and it was very solemn, I liked it. And also you have now presented to us your talents in and through the skits and dances and songs, and very happy and thankful to you. And on this particular day, you have also remembered my 8th day of the announcement as a Bishop of Hazaribagh. And on this particular day, you have prayed for me, you have wished me. I thank you with my sincere heart. And I am happy that all of you, so many in number, I am told that you are 35 in number altogether. It is a very good number and I am very happy, and I welcome you, in fact, though in the academic year, the inauguration of the academic year, I welcomed you. Still, I welcome you today. And this is our house. This is your initial house of the priestly formation. So, I thank you for your generous response to the God's call. And you are growing here in this minor seminary. I am happy that you are growing well. But remember that we have to make us more refined day by day in all the levels, in all the areas and all the aspects of the growth, human growth. And this minor seminary is mainly to remember your call. God has called you. You have to remember that. You have to pray for your own vocation as well as to prepare yourself. The major seminary looks the minor seminary as the place, a budding ground, so to say, where you learn English and the initial liturgical and sacramental knowledge, and you acquire many talents here. So this I accept, and also I affirm it that this would be the place of growth, and this would be the the place of all-round growth, and thus you will enjoy the later stages of the formation, priestly formation, and therefore refine yourself here, and I wish you all the best for this. I have seen many lackings of the minor seminary and trying to improve it slowly, and we will see what we can do. And with these few words, once again, I thank all of you and wish you the best. God bless you. Thank you. Happy feast to all of you.
Paris Jojo, dear fathers, brothers, and all my dear friends. Everyone looks for a precious occasion to say something for one's dear ones. In the same way, I am too present here in this beautiful evening. May I, on behalf of seminary family, take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to one and all. First of all, I thank the Almighty God because He has showered His abundant blessings upon us and has brought us together on this wonderful evening. Now, I take this pleasure to extend my heartfelt thanks to our Chief Guest, Reverend Bishop Paris Jojo, who has blessed us with His gracious presence in spite of His busy works. Dear Lordship, you have blessed us with your encouraging homily and your inspiring message, and above all with your life itself. Please accept our humble and grateful acknowledgement for all that you are to us. In a very special way, I sincerely thank you for beautifying the seminary with the painting work and the shirt for us. Thank you very much, dear Lordship. I would like to thank you, all my dear fathers, brothers, and distinguished guests, for encouraging us with your valuable presence. We gratefully acknowledge your support, care, and concern. Thank you, dear fathers and brothers. It is my pleasure to extend sincere words of thanks to our dear Father Rector, Father Anmol, Father Anu, the Minister of the House, Father Thomas, our spiritual director, Father Avinash, parish priest, and our guide and recent brother, who are always with us to mold and shape us and to lead us towards our destination. Thank you, dear fathers and brothers. May I also sincerely thank our domestic staff, Mr. Raymond and team, who are at our service for the smooth running of the seminary. Now I thank and congratulate my companions who have participated actively in the program and made this evening a joyous one, and also to others who by the tireless work behind the curtain did their best to make the seminary day a memorable one. Thank you, one and all.